Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening, as you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm using the recently released soap from PAA. It is Kiritimati. I did get this early at the Idaho or Northwest Wet Shavers meetup in Idaho Falls a few weeks back. I did use it 2 weeks ago. But since it was just released, gotta use it again. Beautiful scent on this. Frankincense, myrrh, West Indian Bay. Absolutely beautiful scent. Cool little holographic label. The brush I'm using, since it kind of matches, is the Teton Shaves Zen series with his proprietary 28mm knot, whipped up in the HC&C stainless steel bowl. And we're going to go with the red IBC because there's red on the label of the soap. Now, I'm kind of using the stuff I got up in Idaho because this past weekend, we made our annual trip up to Idaho Falls to go see Santa. And if you watched the channel for any time, you've remember mentioning this last year. Now, why did we go to Idaho Falls? It's a 3 or so hour drive. Well, the guy that does Santa at the mall in Idaho Falls is a family friend. Someone my dad has known since he was in college. I've known him almost my entire life. We've seen him since my youngest or my oldest was about 4 or so. So we've been seeing him for years. And like I said, he's a close family friend. And he's not one of those Santas that you see at the mall like, all right, we're in for Christmas. Here's a picture. Next. He gets up, he talks to the kids, he asks them how they're doing, he sings songs, he reads parts of books. Just a really good experience for kids all around. So it's not anything he does special or anything different with my kids because we know him. So we went up there Saturday. We got up Saturday morning, loaded up, went to my parents' house. They live just a few miles from here. Went to their house, started driving. And anytime there's kids involved, I had to stop a couple times to go to the bathroom and whatnot. Stopped and got food in Pocatello, which is about 45 minutes south of Idaho Falls. Went to a fast food restaurant. There were 5 people working the counter. It was like 1 or 2 cooks. Ordered food. Granted, there's 7 of us, but still. Fast food. It took over half an hour to get our order. And they weren't that busy. There was us and another party. And the drive-thru wasn't hopping either. And by the time we got our food, the French fries in that were cold. They're just awful. So we ended up, we got our food, we ate, we left. Went up and got to the hotel, checked in. It's when you stay at every year for this. And it just happened to be right next door to where the Northwest Wet Shavers meetup was. Literally right next door. Same brand hotel. Just different. Same change, same brand. Just different, same type of chain than Marriott. We met up at the Residence Inn. We were staying at a another residence. We stayed at the one that's not quite extended stay, Fairfield, not Fairfield. I can't remember, doesn't matter. But we stayed there. We do every year. And, you know, kids got changed. We went to the mall, saw Santa, went and grabbed dinner at a restaurant right in the same parking lot so we could just walk. Went back to the hotel and the kids swam for a couple hours. Everyone got ready for bed. We got up, we met Santa at Blackbird Diner for breakfast. Blackbird Diner is my middle son's absolute favorite restaurant, or one of his favorite restaurants. So we met Santa there, had breakfast, got on the road, and left. Oh, forgot, on the way in, there's a really cool Army surplus store on the south end of Idaho Falls. You know, we stopped there for a little bit, did some looking around and a little bit of shopping and stuff, and then went to the hotel, changed, mall, dinner, swimming. And then Sunday morning, got up, got dressed, got packed, and had back dirty clothes and swimsuits, and met Santa at the Blackbird Diner, which I don't really have those back east. I think they're more West Coast here, get a little bit of central. Like West Coast California is where they started, and then like Utah and Idaho, kind of this neck of the woods, not back east. Really good food, a lot of good food. And then after breakfast, we got on the road and drove home. That was my weekend. And then back to work on Monday. My best friend from high school lives in Idaho Falls. This trip was so short, I didn't even let him know we're coming into town. Which is awful to me. So we normally try to see him when we can, because he lives in Idaho Falls. But next month, I'm sure he'll be coming down for his oldest kid's birthday. They'll have a party they do every year at his mom's house. And his oldest kids, he has 2 sets of twins. The oldest set of twins were born on my birthday. So we go and do something with them every month or every January for their birthday. So, you know, I'll see him next month, and then his other kids were born in the summer, so we'll see them in the summers. And we'll see them a few other times throughout the year. But I still feel bad not reaching out to him. My dad and I debated whether we were going to reach out to this individual or not, because of the shortness of the trip. We had a good discussion about it, and ultimately decided against it. But other than missing out on seeing my best friend, it was a really fun weekend. Just a fast one. fast week. It started snowing a little bit on the way home. It wasn't too bad. Not heavy snow, just a little bit of flurry. Just a little bit in the drive. But we got home, unpacked, did what we needed to do, and then went and got our dog at doggy daycare, the doggy hotel, the kennel, whatever you want to call it, doggy daycare. And then back to work Monday. So all in all, just a really nice, quick, fun trip. Would have liked to stay longer so I could relax a little bit and not have to get home so early. So I could have slept in a little bit. None of which happened. It was kind of rushed to get up and do everything. Rushed to get home. We had things we had to do and appointments on Sunday. Something we had to do was on Sunday at a certain time, sit to get her dog. So we did that, and wish you could stay longer. Enjoyed the trip. Oh well. And don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it. Just wish you would have been a little bit more relaxed. All right, that was awesome. Definitely get that West Indian Bay in here. Beautiful scent. The frankincense and myrrh kind of play nicely with it. Like I said, this did just come out. Probably available until the end of the year, and that will be about it. I don't know what blade that is or what use that is in the IBC. I want to say it was a regular feather professional. I think it's for that professional. Really nice shave. I'm not even gonna bother with witch hazel. I'm just going with Magic Splash. Can't really tell I've used this once. But it has been used. That was stuck in the last time, so that'll go away. Different restrictor on here, little plastic restrictor. And you actually have to shake it to get it out. And cool thing that Douglas does, you can see that little thing floating there. That is a bay leaf. So the longer that sits in the solution, oh, that smells so good, the more potent it will become. He did that with the Big Shave West 2020 aftershave as well. There's a camera right there that's in that one, but sitting in there, it's starting to smell really, really good. Even though it was really good before, really smelling good now. All right, that was the shave. That was fantastic. Kiritimati, available now at PAA. There is an affiliate link down below. They'll have a link directly to Kiritimati, the set, and just the soap and the splash and all that. Linked without the affiliate link, or you can use the affiliate link. Either way, use the affiliate link, helps the channel. Don't use the affiliate link, still get some good stuff. Either way, no skin off my nose. Anyway, that was a fantastic shave. Kiritimati, beautiful scent. Absolutely love this stuff. Dig the holographic label. The IBC, one of my favorite chivettes. Mixed in the HC&C lather bowl with a beautiful Teton Shaves Zen Series brush. As always, everything that I used will be linked down below in the description. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.